Hi, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach. For a good part of 2023, I prepared a number of videos regarding the challenges that veterans face when they get out of the military. Um, and so most of these videos, if not all, were over 3 minutes and had a wealth of information contained in them, probably too much. So I've reevaluated what I'm going to do in 2024. I still want to provide insights regarding the challenges of veterans, but I want to make them short and sweet, if you know what I mean. So I'm happy to introduce my new weekly video, Transition Tips for Veterans. And each video that I will be providing over the next several months will be less than 30 seconds. So here we go. Today's transition tip. Know yourself and your value before you tell the world. In other words, where do you want to go and what skills do you have to offer? Where do you want to go and what skills you have to offer? Now, I will be posting transition tips for veterans on my website, and I'll be providing more information in my new monthly newsletter. If you want to sign up, email me at gary.rohmann@gmail.com or just connect with my website that you will see at the end of this video and give me your information. So until next time, this is Gary.rohmann, the Veterans Coach.